Hey Diamonds, it's your girl Eva Tarae, right back at you with yet another video. Thank you so much for joining me again. To our newbies, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for joining the Diamond Fam Bam. Go ahead and click that subscription box below so that you can subscribe, and also the notification bell so that you will be notified as soon as I upload a video. Today we are going to jump into October's Boxy charm. I've been stoked for like a few days now, almost a week. As soon as I got my spoiler alert, I knew exactly what was going to be in my box, and I was super excited. So just a few deets on Boxy charm. It is a paid monthly makeup subscription, 21 bucks a month. You're guaranteed at least over $100 worth of products. I've been a member for maybe about 3 months now, and compared to other makeup subscription services that I've used in the past, Boxy charm is by far the best. So without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, opening up my box this month, we of course get our little insert. And this month's theme is Alter Ego, which I think is super cute. I always love the inserts. This month we also get 10% off of IT Cosmetics, which will come in handy for some of us. And let's dig into this box. Let's see. So this is what everything looks like. I'm gonna grab, let's do the IT Cosmetics. So we got the IT Cosmetics Superhero Elastic Stretch Volumizing Mascara. Now I actually own this. I probably tossed it. And I actually like it. I like it when it gets older, when it kind of thickens up a little bit. This is a perfect mascara. It says wrap your lashes in lengthening, volume boosting, and ultra conditioning formula. The elastic stretch technology and the ultra black tint make for the blackest and most defined lashes ever, and it retails for $24. So I'm definitely going to get some use out of this. I don't know why it's cut open at the bottom, but yeah, I won't open it because I have a ton of mascara open right now, so I don't want it to start aging. So yeah, and then up next we have, I've been waiting for this, I don't have any right now, is the Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick, and I got the shade Hood Wind, or Hawk Wind. Yeah, Hawk Wind. So let me open this bad boy up. I've heard good things about the formula for this lipstick. I don't know why but I guess there's some type of controversy around Kat Von D right now. I really haven't took the time out of my day to try to figure out what it was, but I'm kind of curious about this. So let's take a swatch. I thought I was gonna like this. I was hoping it was the darker one. I don't know, ladies. What do you think about that? Maybe with some liner, maybe I'll be able to pull it off. I just thought it was going to be a little bit more deeper. But we'll definitely try that out. It is the Everlasting Liquid Lipstick. Enjoy a smooth, creamy, lightweight liquid lipstick that stays on all day long. The highly pigmented, vegan, and cruelty-free formula coats your lips in just one swipe, delivering the color you want and need. It's infused with vitamin E and sunflower seed oil, giving your lips the moisturizing comfort they deserve. The retail value for this is 20 bucks, so I can't wait to try that out. Up next in our box is something I was really excited about. Is the Dermovia Lace Appeal Black Bamboo Charcoal Peel Off Mask. Who say that 100 times, right? The detoxifying charcoal peel paste and lace compression mask offers a spa-like extraction results. The naturally blended peel paste in conjunction with the mask grips to the skin, helping to further draw out impurities for a deep congestion and exfoliation experience. The retail price on this is $30. I've been seeing this. I've seen a couple people do it on like their Instagram live, and I can't wait to try this out. I usually do my face mask on Sunday, so when I do pop this baby on, I will go on Instagram and let you know what I thought about this. So stay tuned for that, Diamond. Next, we have the Masquerade palette by Pure. I've seen a few looks that came out of this, came from this palette, so I'm super excited about that. Let me pop this bad boy in, open. Mine is dirty. I don't know if you can see it, but it looks used. Alright, opening up, it does have that plastic over it. Now, it does come with some blush shades, and then it also comes with some eyeshadows. It does have, it looks like all of these have a little sheen to them, except this dark one called Sneak Peek. The blushes are pretty pigmented, you guys. I'll probably use some of these as eyeshadows though, just because there's not really a lot of options for colors here. So why not? So we'll see what trouble we can get into with this palette. I love that it comes with a little mirror, so that will definitely go with me this weekend or next weekend when I travel. The star of the show, what I've been wanting to try this whole time, is the Green Clean from Pharmacy Beauty. This cult favorite makeup cleansing balm melts away even the boldest makeup looks. It's powerful enough to remove every last trace of long wear makeup, yet ultra nourishing on your skin, leaving it hydrated and smooth. The retail price of this is $22. I love, has a little top on it. I knew it was gonna smell awesome. I love that like face removers or like balms to take off your makeup. I love those, so I was like really stoked to try something new, because some of these makeup removers can be quite expensive. So to get one, especially of this size, in the Boxy charm is awesome. Even this, the retail price is $22. I paid for just this and got so much more. So it's definitely a treat. And diamonds, that is it for today. That is our October Boxy charm, the Alter Ego. I loved it. I'm all the way here for it. I can't wait to see what next month is going to bring. And diamonds, as always, until next time.